Danko bafethu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Bafethu kusasa ngoba sinemechi ngo-7 eNelson Mandela Bay Stadium. So let's hope ukuthi bafethu laba abakhona eduze lapha bazosondela bafethu eGqeberha, basondele bakwazi ukusupport i-team yethu. And please like, share, comment, subscribe so that the channel can grow bafethu. I wish ukuthi kule game yakusasa bafethu bengamqali uMiguel because of lama challenges anawo bafethu ukuthi asikhoste, and I understand ukuthi kwamanye ama-mistake awayenzayo uPeterson unokuwaseva, amanye ama-mistake awayenzayo agcine kube ngama-goals. But I think it's high time ukuthi umfana naye akahlale phansi ebhentshini, angasuki ayohlala kude njenga last time azothola i-suspension wayengekho vele ebhentshini. So I wish ukuthi abe khona ebhentshini azokhona uku-understand-a kodwa angadlali, just abe khona as i-substitute, kudlale someone else, either kudlale uGiven Msimango or uMcCarthy, because I don't understand ukuthi what is going on with uMcCarthy, because I don't see him ukuthi kwenzakaleni. We didn't hear any injuries, uyabona. But even nakuyi-striker, I wish ukuthi u-Ighodaro bamhlalise phansi kancane, bafake uSilva nalawa amanye ama-player aboMfundo, uVelebhayi noShabalala. Sike sibone i-combination yabo bafethu. uMabuye bengamsusi lapha, abe khona bafethu. uMabuye is the best player. I saw the way he thinks, the way he turn bafethu is the best player. Noma bengamfaka no-Oxy or bamfake noMnqobo, sike sibone i-creativity, because u-Oxy umuntu wokudifenda kuphela, akusiwo umuntu one-creativity ukushaya amaphasi or koreni. Nokumbona uthola ukuthi sometimes ephethe ibhola eyi-1 nje abhekane nepali, uyodicide ukuthi unona phase. It's not easy nje ukuthola u-Oxy ashaye ipali eyi-1. So I think kungaba ngcono kakhulu ukuthi kube khona uMabuye noNgcobo, sike sibone ukuthi kuhamba kanjani, or uMabuye noMthetho noCele, I mean, siye sibone ukuthi i-combination yabo ikanjani bafethu. Kodwa into efuneka kakhulu bafethu kusasa ukuthi kushaywe amanqaku kakhulu, yiyo lento efunekayo, ukuthi kushaywe amagoli. Noma sesiyodlala ne-TS Galaxy igame yokugcina ngeyi-7, sibe sesiwenzile umsebenzi bafowethu, and I don't accept i-lose bafowethu kusasa. Angeke ngize ngikhone ukuyamukela i-lose bafowethu, because of we need to chase these two teams in front of us. Isikhukhune, I don't count them.